Hi everyone, Diane here. Welcome to my studio. Hope everyone's doing well today. I'm going to paint a bird. It's time to paint a bird. And I've just squeezed out some nice fresh quinacridone gold here. This is Daniel Smith and his famous quinacridone gold. And this bird is going to start off by being gold. Then I'm going for the permanent rose this is a Dalerownie, but it could be anything. And I'm going to just drop that in like that. And don't worry, it doesn't look like a bird, I know. And when I've finished, it will look even less like a bird. And I'm going to drop in some water. Like that. And now for something completely different. This is quite freeing. This is the opposite to pen. So again, we're going to look at this and we're going to say, I am a bird, where is my beak? Don't hesitate too long in deciding. I am a bird, where are my legs? Don't hesitate too long in deciding. I am a bird, where are my wings? Don't hesitate. I am a bird, where is my eye? I'm a bird. Let me dry. While I'm drying, I need something behind me, so I'm going to put some clouds in the sky. The question is which colour. Now, we don't want anything to conflict. So I think it had better be pink clouds. And if you feel that you picked up too much pink on your brush, don't worry, just dab it out. So 2 on that side. And 1 on that side. The downside of this paper is that it doesn't give up the paint very easily, so you're sort of stuck with it if you make a mistake like that. It doesn't matter. We're just having a bit of fun. I can always put a bit of white gouache on top. But we do need him to dry, so he needs a bit of time. Okay, so this little birdie is now dry, so I'm going to paint in his tail, and I'm just going to pick up some quinacridone gold and some pink. And you never quite know how this is going to work, because no, I'm not going to add anything there. That's okay. And then while that dries, and before I put any more lines in, I think I will draw his environment. And he needs something to stand on. So I think we'll just go with the irregular stonework. I found ourselves a smaller pen, saw, brush. You can see it's getting near to dinner time. And we'll just paint those loosely. And I've managed to find my full-size Staedtler, Karat, Aquarelle, watercolor brushes. These are new, those ones are old. I don't know whether the new ones are going to be such a good quality. but I just want to run around the outside. So, hey, Stettler has not sold its soul to the devil. Not quite. So there we are. And as you can see, I did a little bit of white on that cloud, which was too dark. Okay, so that made me think I'll have to do that on all of them. So I did. You can correct the shape a little bit. It doesn't show so much. So there we are. Maybe I'll do another little pink one underneath, make it even worse. Perhaps I won't. I'm not going to, because my pink has got all sullied with the quinacridone, so it's gone all orangey. There's been a lot of noise outside today from the pigeons on the roof. They're all going bonkers. What else do I need to do here? Maybe a very fine line here for the birdie's beak, and perhaps a little eyebrow. And I promise the next bird I do, I shall do with eyelashes. But this one's going to have some knees. However, I will do them with the pencil. There we are. So, having said I was going to leave the little bird naked, I had a good night's sleep and I woke up in the morning and I thought to myself, you know what I'm going to do? And so I did this. This is the bird that we left yesterday. I came into the studio and I made a photocopy, a colour photocopy of this, just a quick one. And I tried out the embellishments. And so we've ended up with this. And I think it's quite interesting to see how much that changed the whole effect. And some people will probably say, oh, I prefer the original, unembellished. And some people say, I don't like it at all, but anyway, that's okay. And other people will say, well, yes, that is fun. So there we are, two options and a good way of finding out whether or not you want to go ahead and embellish your original. You could obviously apply this to any of the birds that we've done. And, try it out, try out different designs, make a few copies, spend some time embellishing them. And I think I learned something. I'm sure you would enjoy it too. And I don't know, I just thought that was quite neat. So there we are. We have one embellished bird and the original still to compare. So I'll let you go now, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Have a lovely evening.